Hey everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jammin' with Yarn. I'd like to welcome you back. I know it's just a matter of a couple of days, but I was able to be released. I got the clear from my doctor that I am negative with the COVID. It took a little while because of the holidays and because of mail issues. I still don't have the actual paper to take back to work, but she did let me know over the telephone. And what I want to do is just share with you guys some quick mail that I got in the mail today. One is from Setta. This is my second take. I had to erase a lot of items. All my videos that I just made for Avid, I erased. And that's being very bold for me. For some reason, I think I need everything on my phone. Okay? But anyway, look at this. She was releasing some of her beautiful work to us little people of the world. And I do appreciate it. It is my favorite color. Look at that. I love this Setta. This is so beautiful. If you can see, it has the ruffles. I'm not going to stand up. I'm on the floor. That'll be too much of a distraction, okay? But it's so pretty. And this is her pattern. So if you like it, it is beautiful. I love blue. Oh, and actually, I started my Ross hat. And it just might go with this. It's gray. So anyway, this is from Setta, you guys. Love it. This is her shawl. If you like it, definitely and go and get the pattern, you know. I like the way it hangs, okay? I don't have to be worrying about all that. I think, I don't know if I have this pattern. I might have to work me up a couple of these. I like that. I want her to come out like hers, because she's good. But I do like it. I don't want to cover up the microphone. So anyway, like I said, I got some mail. I won't be too long. I already opened the first one from Cindy of Cindy Suttles. Cindy Suttles of Cindy Hearts Crochet. I love it. Like she got 2020 on there. Okay, because we want to remember what, I mean, we know the bad stuff, but like, what did I really get? Thank you, Cindy. I love it. And it actually says, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Love, Cindy. Love you too. Thank you. And I also have two more. One from the Dabbling Hook. She made it through her Advent, and I really did love it. It wasn't boring at all. I like those quick and short Avids, and you get to the point, share a little bit of something, and it's done. So you can go to the next person. I like that. Oh, look at her. She is so classy. Look at that. This is a keeper. Okay. I love it. Happy holidays. That's her. That is her right there. You guys go check out her channel, The Dabbling Hook. She's good. She's good. And then there's one more from Esmeralda in Arizona. And I just wanted to do this before the New Year's. Like I said, I just picked it up today. Beautiful. Sending love at this special time of year. Merry Christmas. It is beautiful. Look at that reef and bird. Thank you. This is her channel is God Rock 2107. God GODROCKS 2107. Okay. And one of the real joys of the holiday season, opportunity to say thank you and to wish you the very best of a new year. Thank you, thank you. And she also put that. So these cards are very special. One, because of you. Of course, it's because of you. Number two, it's because it's 2020. Oh Lord, let this year be over. So I went to Barnes and Nobles because I didn't have a calendar. You know, they didn't have that much, but they were 50% off. So I purchased two calendars. One says Live with Intention. And I like that you know, about time I got into the car. I'm not going to take you to every page. But, seems like there's something in, oh, it's cardboard. And, they have those little quotes. Stay true to you. You are a diamond, dear. They can't break you. Life is tough, but so are you. Be patient with yourself right here. A lot of good little sayings. And then I go to my other half of me. I got the sweet me. And then I got the one that's a little bit on the, not dark side, but what do you call it? I'll let you guys call it Harry Potter. My kids had got me hooked on Harry Potter. And so it has the different Huff and Puff and Ravenclaw and Griffin Finder and yeah, they all say Griffin Finder, most of them. Oh, and Slithering. So yeah, with all beings we have the possibility of we are light and we are dark. Okay, I'd like to stay on the light side. We all got that in us. So that is what I got. And I did get one more thing. I bought a journal. And they actually had the size I like. And the, well, here it goes. This little thing. Here. Excuse me for the noise. I like this one because I can put my little notes on. This is for meditation, and I like it without the lines. And I like because it's separated, have different little books in there. Okay, I have one just like it, but I couldn't find any right here. And I got this one in 2016, and I never could find one just like this. But this is close enough. I think it's the same size. Seems like less paper in it, but it just could be me. That one is filled up. So yeah, I have a journal to go, and it has the compass on it. That was at Barnes and Nobles, and that's it, you guys. So I'm not looking for more stuff, you guys. I love it. This is from Setta. Go check out her channel, Setta's Place. I'll see you guys January the 1st. Have a wonderful night and take care of yourself or a wonderful morning. And thank everyone for the cards. Bye.